to the non-technical side, right? Even though the technical skills are important, surviving as a DBA, it's essential, right, that you have some of those non-technical skills. The first one is communication. Being able to communicate, both written and vocal communication, right? The first step you are going to take in getting a job is your interviews. You're going to talk to recruiters. You're going to build a resume, talk to recruiters. You're going to talk to technical people. You need to be able to explain to them this concept that you know what you're doing. So communication is key. On the job, you'll be talking to non-technical people. You need to take complex technical concepts and explain it to non-technical people and make it make sense to them. So DBAs or tech people who can communicate tend to shine. They tend to grow within the organization, because eventually it's not just about what you can do. It's can you convey that information clearly, whether it's in sending reports, whether it's in meetings, whether it's in giving status updates. Communication is a very, very critical skill to do well, to excel as a tech person in the marketplace. The next one is problem solving, right? Being able to identify issues, identify complex problems related to your database systems, have enough analytical skills to troubleshoot these issues using the tools we have, right? You should be able to look at things and figure out, okay, what's the root cause? Why did this happen? Being able to ask those intelligent questions, or those, let me not call them intelligent, but probing questions, right? To get to the root of things, that problem solving initiative, being able to organize your time, get to tasks promptly, is an excellent skill that will help you do well, excel as a database administrator. You know, meeting deadlines. We call this service level agreements, right? You have expectations or arrangements with your clients that, hey, I'm going to be on top of this thing in 2 days. You're supposed to get an update from me. Meeting those things requires excellent time management skills. The next one is attention to detail. Again, being able to pay attention, ensure things are set up properly. It's not just about getting to the end of a task, but making sure that no step is missed in the process. That is attention to detail. Making sure things are set up properly, making sure things are done or set up the right way, no shortcuts taken. Next one is teamwork. You're going to be interacting with multiple members of your team. A lot of companies have multiple DBAs, on staff. Most DBAs work with other, technical roles. So like you work with developers, you work with server engineers. Most projects we do as DBAs are not done in isolation. They are done with other teams, other organizations, other departments that have their own components to deliver. So being able to effectively work as a team to deliver projects is an excellent non-technical skill that will help you do well. So again, you can see it's beyond the technical stuff, beyond delivering technical tasks for us. The next one is adaptability. This technology is always changing. It's always evolving. Regardless of the technology you get into, regardless of the platform you learn and become a DBA supporting, it's going to constantly evolve. It's going to constantly change. It's going to be constantly evolving, and you need to have that adaptability to keep changing with trends in the industry. Being able to adapt to what's new, what tweaks are going on with the technology, that desire to keep learning is an excellent skill that will help you do well. And then the last one, customer service. In the end, being able to just provide support. In fact, some of the database roles are called production support. It really comes down to you're serving a need. You're making sure things are done. When things break, you're the go-to person. When issues arise, you're the go-to person. Being able to efficiently deliver support to users within your environment. Those are core skills that help us be successful as database administrators. So those, we looked at the technical skills and the non-technical skills. All right, service level agreements.